Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to disable talkback mode on iqoo mobile. So friends, you want to disable your iqoo mobile talkback mode. So friends, how to disable talkback mode in this video friends, we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you have enabled talkback by mistake on your iqoo mobile. So how to disable talkback? So guys, use your two finger, scroll it, because guys one finger if you use, you cannot disable talkback on your device. Use your two finger, scroll it. Friends, use your one finger and click on phone setting. Double tap here friends, and friends click on network and internet, and again use guys two finger, because guys one finger if you use, you cannot use your iqoo mobile screen. So use your two finger, shortcut setting friends, click here, double tap here, and friends you can see this type interface on your mobile. Scroll it, accessibility setting, double tap here. Friends, talkback setting, one tap here, double tap here. Use talkback setting, friends, one tap here, double tap here. Stop button setting is one tap, and get double tap here, and get talkback will disable on your iqoo mobile. And friends, you can use your iqoo mobile without talkback. Double tap here, talkback will disable on our device, and friends we can use our iqoo mobile without talkback, and one finger we can use our iqoo mobile screen. So like that friends, we can use talkback setting on iqoo mobile. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use and disable talkback on iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.